Before setting off for Everest Base Camp with my sister and her friend Meg, we had 2 days to dive into the heart of Kathmandu, seeing ancient temples, drinking so much chai, and figuring out we've been tipping all wrong. Here's how one of the best adventures of my life began. I'm too tired to have a floor right now. A fucking bed. Last night we slept on the floor of the airport, so my shit is so heavy. That was like top 5 slumbers of my life after being on the floor. Anyway, going to breakfast. First masala chai. Yum. Look at this view. What a life. Yeah, boy. So how much do you usually tip?
So like you can tip like 100, 500, like 500.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Thank you. Okay, well, I can tip people really small. That girl upstairs for breakfast, I gave her 5 rupees. You tipped like 10% of what you should have been tipping. Like we gave her 5 rupees instead of 50. No, instead of 500. Oh. We're now in Thamel. Gonna go have a look around the streets, I suppose, because we're waiting for Meg, who gets in at like 1 p.m. This cafe is literally insane. We just keep walking up the square. And look at the mountains in the background. Just got my second chai masala of the day. What I've noticed is there's always that skin from the milk when you heat it too hot, and they are always boiling. Maybe wait till Meg gets here and see if she's hungry as well. There's a few restaurants that she wants to go to. There's one. This one's really good. It's so hot and new skin has formed again. Meg's here. So Meg was super prepared and brought vitamin B instead of electrolytes, and forgot the insoles of her shoes. Kind of a 3.
And it's 9.
Cheese and potato.
Thank you. What generation are you? What no cat, brother? I swear to God, he was fucking fire. That's Ruby, 24/7.
I ever said that. Thank you. Had a feasting.
Thank you.
Try number 4.
Cold drinks only.
Way to go to bed. It's really good.
Is everyone feeling physically fit for this?
Oh, hello! I want to pet you, but I'm scared and I'll get rabies. Oh no! That is so cute. It's actually torturous not being able to pat the dogs because I didn't get a rabies shot and I'm too scared of getting bitten or scratched. But fuck, that dog was adorable. Meg's first masala. Alright, we just had breakfast. We're moving out of our room because we're joining up with the tour now because we're doing the base camp trek with Intrepid. Because there's 3 of us that booked, me, Shay and Meg. One of us has to go with a random, and it turns out I've been put with a random, so let's hope whoever the fuck I'm with is not insane. Let's go. Because I walk around with this camera, a lot of people, like families, always choose me to take photos of them, like with their phones. And this group of people, they came up to me and they're like, photo, photo. And I was like, oh, of course, like to take their photo. But then they all just took selfies with me, like 6 different people. Like, did you see that?
Yeah, I was just telling Shay that happened to me all through India. Everyone was asking for photos with me.
Yeah.
And for the first time in my life, I had a glimpse at what it would be like to be famous, and I loved it.
Kind of like their second choice, because like Ruby, like everyone was asking for Ruby, and like a girl was sitting right next to me, and she just kind of looked at me and goes, I was like, all right. I was kind of like, oh, you're here, I guess I'll get a photo with you. This is stunning. About to get some more momo. Look at this view. This is my veg chili momo. We're about to crack in. Welcome to my mukbang. Yeah. Also, you know that guy who used like... Is it good?
I'll try half.
Really good. Really good. Thoughts? It's really good. Thoughts? If that was on the table,
They were better than yesterday's.
Yeah. This is fucking phenomenal. $2 Australian.
Yes.
Hello. Can I please get the falafel wrap? We basically just met up with our tour group today. We didn't really do too much, so I think we're gonna go out for a group dinner tonight, and then we start the trek tomorrow.
Everyone's very close to my coochie. It's very pretty.